Direct replacement. This fuel tank sending unit is designed to match the fit and function of the original unit on specified applications. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to internal sensor failure. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Cost-effective, has similar performance to part that originally came on vehicle, but is priced far below getting replacement from dealership. Ohms empty, 240, ohms full, 33. This fuel tank sending unit is designed to match the fit and function of the original unit on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. Top reviews from the United States. Works very well. Bought one of the induction type senders that is unadjustable in length, and didn't send at a fine increment to the gauge. This one is very adjustable, solidly built and sends in very fine increments to my gauge that isn't of the same manufacturer. Works as needed.